Well, Lee, explain what happened here.
Basically, Lee come around here and dumped about 12 inches of rain. And that's what we got.
Well, basically, we went dove hunting and there wasn't no water across the road, and now we got this to deal with. I ain't real sure how this happened in 2 hours, but it happened. So he's right there, and we got this. Go on out there, Jake. It's not good.
Great.
And we gotta make it to there. And it was dry as a bone when we went dove hunting. Rising Creek.
Well, we should have left when you got here.
Yep. Damn doves.